Hey folks, I wanted to share with you 3 different ways that I cut carrots most often here in the house. And the first thing you want to keep in mind is there's no reason for any of this stuff to go to waste. The peel and the tops and the ends are great for making stock. They got lots of flavor when you combine them with onions and celery. So these are peeled and washed and coming through and taking out the tops and the bottoms. Cut these guys here and then just add them to the rest of the peels. And I'll just keep them in a Tupperware container. And when I have onions and carrots and other things, I'll start making a stock. So the first cut here is a thin one that's on the bias to make carrot chips. I'll call them. And the reason I like to do this, they're great for dips because you see how we've extended the surface area here. So it gives you lots of room to scoop up hummus and stuff like that. So in order to do a dice that you would use for soups and whatnot, I always like to cut it in half and make sure that I have the carrot on its flat side so it's not wobbling around on me. And you cut it into quarters and then turn it and come back again. And this gives you the dice that you need. The dice is good for things like peas and carrots, or also for soup. And as you can see here, you can kind of control the size if you want them large or small. So that's 2 of them. The next is matchstick carrots, or julienne if you call them. Again, I'll cut a slice off so that it doesn't wobble around on me. And now I come through and cut these little sheets of, say, 1/8 of an inch. And now once they're flat, you lay them down on the cutting board and come back through again and cut them 1/8 of an inch. And there you go. And you got your matchsticks, which you can use just to simply saute, or you can use them in stir fries. So these are the 3 ways here. I hope you can give them a try.